How to address quality complaints and trade disputes in India. Niku's friend Kalia comes to know of Niku's customer Zayed in Middle East. Kalia approaches Zayed with a deal to supply the similar product at lesser price. Zayed agrees to the offer and gives the contract to Kalia. Kalia ships poor quality goods and takes the money from Zayed, based on the documents of shipping. Once the goods reach Zayed, Zayed is shocked to see the poor quality of the goods. Zayed lost the money in the deal and feels cheated by Kalia. He rings up Niku and asks for her help to get the money from Zayed. When Niku asks Kalia, Kalia denies any wrongdoing and claims that he has supplied the goods correctly. Niku doesn't know who is right in their claim. Kalia also asks Niku to keep away from his business matters. Niku cannot do much to help Zayed on her own. So she approaches the Niryat Bandhu officer at the local DGFT office for guidance. At times, differences might arise between buyer and seller in international trade transaction. People try to settle their differences through negotiation, and it is indeed the better method. However, at times, one of the parties may cheat his counterpart by shipping poor quality goods, defective goods, by not paying the money as promised or in any other way that harms business interests. At such times, unless there is a contractual clause in the agreement for arbitration, it becomes difficult to settle the dispute. Also, as the parties in the dispute might be living in different countries, it becomes difficult to enforce the contract or the arbitration award. Exporters need to project a good image of the country abroad to promote India's exports. Maintaining an enduring relationship with foreign buyers is of utmost importance, and complaints or trade disputes, whenever they arise, need to be settled amicably as soon as possible. Similarly, importers too may have grievances, and these too needs to be addressed. Government has tried to address this issue through the Chapter 8 in the Foreign Trade Policy 2015-20 by way of constituting committees on quality complaint and trade dispute. This committee has been constituted in the 23 offices of the DGFT. This committee is composed of representatives of Bureau of Indian Standards, Export Promotion Councils, Export Inspection Agency, Director of Industries, Development Commissioner of MSMES, concerned banks, and other members depending on the need, and chaired by the head of the regional DGFT office. What kind of complaints can be filed? Complaints by foreign buyers in respect of poor quality of the products supplied by exporters from India. Complaints of Indian importers against foreign suppliers in respect of quality of the products supplied. Complaints of unethical commercial dealings such as non-supply or partial supply of goods after confirmation of order, supplying goods other than the ones as agreed upon, non-payment, non-adherence to delivery schedules, etc. How does one file a complaint? It depends on who is the involved party and against whom they want to complain. If you have been cheated by an Indian exporter or importer and you are a foreigner, you may choose to complain to the respective Indian embassy or High Commission of India in your country, giving full details of the matter. The respective commission or embassy shall get in touch with the Commerce Ministry in India and the DGFT to get your matter resolved amicably through Committee on Quality Complaints and Trade Disputes. Alternatively, you may also choose to make an application for investigation of quality complaints and or other trade disputes directly to the concerned regional office of DGFT in the format given in ANF 8 of Appendix and Ayat Niryat forms. Complaint has to be duly supported by self-attested photocopies of relevant documents that one may choose to provide to supplement the complaint. Once your complaint reaches DGFT, further investigation and action will be taken by the committee and you will be posted on the developments. In case further information is needed in the matter, the committee will correspond with you till the matter is settled amicably. What if you are an Indian and have been cheated by a foreigner who has shipped poor quality products or has failed to make your payments? In this case, you may approach your local regional office of DGFT and lodge a complaint against the foreign exporter or importer in the given format and submit to the DGFT office. The local DGFT office shall then take up the matter with the DGFT headquarters and with the concerned Foreign Trade Division of the Ministry of Commerce. Ministry of Commerce in India in turn will take the matter through diplomatic channels to help you settle your complaints as amicably as possible. What actions can be taken against airing firms from India who don't comply by the committee? Various actions against airing exporters can be taken under the Foreign Trade, Development and Regulation Act of India, such as suspension or cancellation of IEC, that is Import-Export Code, refusal to grant or renew a license, certificate or scrip given to exporter or importer, suspend or cancel any license, certificate or scrip issued to the exporter or importer, imposing a monetary penalty. However, the focus of the committee is more towards dispute resolution amicably and in a friendly way. If one has done the business with good faith, the committee is here to help. For more details on the Committee on Quality Complaints and Dispute Resolution, you may write or speak to the Niryat Bandhu officer at the DGFT Regional Authority nearest to you. Remember, Niryat Bandhu is here to help you in your export-import business.